Welcome kids, YuviSharma channel. Hello kids. Today we will learn ABC in a fun way. Ready? Let's go. A for apple. A for ant. B for ball. B for butterfly. C for cat. C for cake. D for dog. D for duck. E for elephant. E for egg. F for fish. F for flower. G for grapes. G for girl. H for hat. H for horse. I for ice cream. I for iguana. J for juice. J for joker. K for kite. K for koala. L for lion. L for ladybug. M for mango. M for monkey. N for nest. N for notebook. O for orange. O for octopus. P for parrot. P for peacock. Q for queen. Q for quail. R for rabbit. R for rainbow. S for sun. S for snake. T for tiger. T for tomato. U for umbrella. U for unicorn. V for van. V for vulture. W for watch. W for watermelon. X for xylophone. X for fox. Y for yak. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra. Z for zero. Great job kids. You learned ABC in a fun way. See you in the next video. Thank you kids. Like, share and subscribe to my channel for more learning videos.